Dear friends, there were two brothers who were inseparable. They lived on neighboring farms and they helped each other every day. But one day, a misunderstanding over a small piece of land turned into a bitter dispute. Neither wanted to apologize, neither wanted to take the first step. Days became weeks, weeks became months, and the anger continued to grow. Finally, one brother hired workers to build a tall wall between their properties. And after a few days, the wall was complete. Neither brother could now see the other anymore. And in this way, years passed. Now, one day, there was a terrible storm that hit the area. The younger brother's barn caught fire. Flames spread quickly. Desperately, he tried to save his animals. And then suddenly, through the smoke, he saw someone running towards him. It was his elder brother, the same brother he hadn't spoken to in years. Together, they fought the fire and saved the farm. When it was all over, both men stood silently. Then the older brother said, "We've spent years building a wall. Maybe it's time we build a bridge." And the next morning, they began tearing the wall down. My dear friends, in today's first reading, we hear all about the church in Antioch. People from different backgrounds, cultures, and histories come together because of Christ. Paul and Barnabas didn't build walls, they built a community, a place where people learn to live as brothers and sisters. In fact, it was in Antioch that believers were first called Christians. Their unity became their witness. In today's gospel passage, we see that Jesus gives a challenging teaching. He says it's not enough to simply avoid harming others. If we are angry with a brother or sister, we must seek reconciliation. In fact, Jesus says that before bringing our gift to God, we should first make peace with one another. Why? Because God doesn't just care about our prayers, He cares about our relationships. The brothers in the story spent years building a wall, but Jesus invites us to build bridges instead. And therefore, today, dear friends, we ask ourselves, is there someone in your life who is on the other side of the wall? It could be a friend, a family member, or a colleague. Today is the day we take the first step because bridges change lives.